Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Justin with Johnson Vlogs, back doing another review on some more items to my setup. So this is the Kafri RGB headset stand. It's $29.99, so $30 on Amazon. They had some that was on the uppers of like $60. They kind of just look the same. So we're gonna put this together and test it out. Look pretty sweet. So I think it'll be a cool, decently priced, cool addition to the setup. So you get your power cable here, get the base. So that's something cool about this one is that it has 2 outlets on the back and then 3 USB ports on the front, which is awesome. And I believe this would be the switch for the RGB, so that's awesome. The RGB is through the bottom here. So like the USB ports is really cool itself, but it also has the plug-in. So here's the top piece. That's all of the stuff in the box. So apparently you just push it together, just like that. Got that on there. This definitely looks like it would go down further. Okay. Yeah, this definitely goes down a little bit further. Okay, alright, I got it all the way. Oh, wasn't too bad, but it was, apply some pressure to it. Alright, so yeah, I mean, easy assembly. You're literally just pushing the pieces together. Just go ahead and we'll go ahead and test out the USBs and test out the outlets and stuff too. So that's cool. I like the lights. So okay, you can change it to red, a little bit brighter red, pink, yellow, green, blue, or light blue, then purple, white, and all the colors again. So I guess you can't cut it off. Let's see, hold on, maybe if we hold it or something. Oh, okay, so you hold it, cut it off. That's pretty cool, so you can get rid of it if you want to. It's got a little light on the front to let you know that it's plugged in and everything's good, I guess. Let's go ahead and hold it there. But yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all with my Xbox headset. I hadn't bought one for my computer yet. I'm looking into getting a wireless one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna plug in the charger right here and probably like wrap it around this pole, real decent looking. That way, whenever I just set it right there, I'll just plug it right in. So it would always be charged, So this is a wired one for the Xbox. Just show you how it sits on there or whatever. So that's cool. I mean, it does what it's supposed to do, Looks pretty cool. I mean, it's just a whole lot better to do it like this than, I guess, just throwing stuff on the desk or whatever. So I like that. So far, so good. I'm gonna shot the USBs with the mouse pad here. So that one works. We're just gonna test out all 3 of them just to make sure everything's good. Alright, so that's good to go. Let's see. I guess I can plug in this laptop. Let's see. Alright, so there's a little light indicator right here that's showing that it's charging. So I'm gonna unplug the wrong thing. So I just unplugged that. Just want to make sure that all the outlets are working and everything. Okay, lights on, so that one's good. And that one's good. Alright, well that's cool. Now everything's good on this. I say this is a really cool buy. I think it's worth the $30 just to upgrade your setup a little bit. So for 30 bucks, get you a nice little headset stand. I really don't understand the point in spending the 60 on the. So it's like I guess like an off-brand one or whatever. The other one was some name brand kind. But I mean, for 30 bucks, $30 less than the other one. I mean, this one seems perfectly fine. And I don't even think the other one had as many USBs on the front, or maybe not as much plugins on the back. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I mean, this is awesome. So I like it. I'd buy it again if I, need to. So if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.